Hello, friends. Welcome to Dad English, the only podcast where I teach my daughter English and sometimes embarrass myself in front of millions.
Today, we're learning the most powerful word in English. Just one word, but it can change everything. Is.
Warning, this is a mega lesson. It's long, intense, and fun. But don't panic. You don't have to listen all at once. Pause, repeat, come back. Your English will thank you.
Take your time. Repeat after us. Have fun. Don't worry if you need a break. This word is too important to rush.
If you master is, you master English. Ready? Let's dive into part 1, identity.
Antony, look at this photo. Who is he?
He is Brad Pitt. He is an actor.
Rule number 1. Use is for one man or boy. He is.
He is John. He is my brother. He is nice.
Practice time. Who is your best friend? Tell me his name.
He is Mark. Who is that lady over there?
She is my teacher. She is Mrs. Smith.
Rule number 2. Use is for one woman or girl. She is.
Practice. Think of a famous woman. Who is she?
She is Taylor Swift.
What is that in your hand?
It is a pen. It is blue.
Rule number 3. Use is for one object or animal. It is.
It is a car. It is a house. It is a problem.
Look at your phone. What is it?
It is a phone. Sarah, I want you to meet someone.
Oh? Who?
This is Mr. Bear. He is my teddy bear.
Dad, stop. But yes, use this is to introduce people.
This is my wife. This is my friend.
Where is London?
London is in England.
Names act like it or he, she, so we use is.
Sara is happy. Brazil is beautiful.
Practice. Where is Paris?
Paris is in France. What does your brother do?
He is a doctor.
Don't forget the A. He is a doctor.
She is a student. He is a pilot.
What is your job?
I am a teacher. Who is that boy?
He is my nephew.
Use is to connect people. He is my dad. She is my mom.
Point to someone in the room. Who is he or she?
He is my brother.
I love pizza.
Pizza is from Italy.
He is from Spain. She is from Japan.
Where is sushi from?
It is from Japan. Great job! You have finished part 1.
Let's review the golden rule.
He is. She is. It is.
Singular subject equals is. Pause here if you need a break.
Ready? Now we are starting part 2, describing things.
Wow, look at that basketball player.
He is tall.
Use is plus adjective. He is tall. She is short.
Is an elephant big or small?
It is big.
Why is the baby crying?
He is sad. Or maybe he is hungry.
Never say, he has hungry. In English, we use is.
She is happy. He is angry.
How are you? Are you tired?
No, I am energetic. Careful with that coffee.
Ouch! It is hot.
Use is for the condition of things. It is cold. It is warm.
Touch the wall. Is it hot or cold?
It is cold.
How old is your dog?
He is 5 years old.
Stop. Do not say he has 5. That is wrong.
In English, age equals is. He is 5. She is 20.
How old is your best friend?
She is 30. Do you like this movie?
No, it is boring.
Use is to give an opinion. It is interesting. It is funny.
What do you think of English?
It is easy.
Can I watch TV?
No, it is broken.
Use is for the state of a machine. It is broken. It is fixed.
The door is open. The window is closed.
My heart is broken. No TV.
I like your car.
Thanks. It is red. Red is fast.
The sky is blue. The grass is green.
Look at your shirt. What color is it?
It is white.
I want this watch. How much is it?
It is $500. Too expensive.
Use it is for the price. It is cheap. It is expensive.
How much is a coffee in your country?
It is $3.
You are doing amazing. That was part 2.
Let's remember the pattern.
Subject plus is plus description.
He is old. It is blue. She is nice.
Take a deep breath. Let's move to part 3. World and environment.
Look outside. It is raining.
No, look now. It is sunny.
Always use it is for weather. It is cold. It is windy.
Look out your window. How is the weather?
It is cloudy.
Anthony, what time is it?
It is 5 p.m. Time for tea.
In daily English, we don't say the time is 5. Just say it is 5.
What time is it right now?
It is study time.
What day is it?
It is Monday.
Oh, Monday is hard.
It is Friday. It is January. It is 2026.
What day is it today?
It is Friday. Where is my phone?
It is on the table.
Use is for location. Where is Paris? It is in France.
Where are you right now?
I am at home.
Are we there yet? How far is it?
It is 10 miles away. Be patient.
Use it is for distance. It is far. It is near.
Is the supermarket near your house?
Yes, it is close.
I'm hungry.
There's an apple in the kitchen.
Is means it exists. There is a problem. There is a car.
Look on your table. Is there a pen?
Yes, there is a pen.
Hey, that is my cookie.
No, this is mine. That is yours.
This is mine. That is his. It is hers.
Touch your nose. Say, this is my nose.
This is my nose. Honk honk.
It is.
Don't say is, say is.
He is. She is. It is. Your throat must vibrate.
Say it is 3 times. Feel the Z.
Is. Good.
Stop. Breathe.
If you are here, you already understand is better than most learners.
Most people quit. You are still here. You are winning.
Let's finish this. Now part 4, questions and negatives.
He is rich. That is a statement.
Is he rich? That is a question.
To ask a question, swap the words. He is becomes is he.
Ask me if I am happy.
Is she happy? Yes, she is.
Is it raining?
Yes, it is.
Don't just say yes. Say, yes, it is. It is polite.
Is English fun? Answer me.
Yes, it is.
Is he your brother?
No, he is not my brother. He's my boyfriend.
Just add not. He is not. She is not. It is not.
Is an elephant small?
No, it is not small.
He is sounds like a robot.
He's, she's, it's.
He's happy. She's busy. It's cool.
Say, it is good, fast.
It's good.
Is he at home?
No, he isn't.
You can say he isn't or he's not. Both are good.
It isn't raining. It's not raining.
Is a mouse big?
No, it isn't. Where is the bank?
It is next to the park.
Where is? Who is? What is? Why is?
Ask me where the station is.
Where is the station?
Knock knock.
Who is it?
It's me.
Use who is for people. Who is that? Who is calling?
Ask me about my favorite singer.
Who is your favorite singer? Why is the sky blue?
Because science?
Why is asks for a reason. Why is he sad? Why is it expensive?
Ask why I am happy.
Why is Antony happy?
Part 4 is done. You are a grammar machine.
Let's recap. He's, she's, it's.
Is he? Is she? Is it?
Keep practicing the short forms. They make you sound fluent.
Ready for the final stretch? Let's go.
Warning, Part 5 is advanced.
If it feels hard, that is okay. You can skip and come back later.
But if you are brave, let's continue.
Where's Tom?
He is playing football.
Use is plus verb ing for actions happening now.
She is cooking. It is raining. He is sleeping.
What is your mother doing?
She is working. Where is this car from?
It is made in Germany.
This is advanced. Is plus past participle.
The room is cleaned. The work is done.
Dinner is served.
He is nice, isn't he?
Yes, he is.
This is a tag. It checks for agreement. It is cold, isn't it?
Complete the sentence. She is pretty, blank, blank.
She is pretty, isn't she?
What does kiwi taste like?
It is like a strawberry mixed with a banana.
It is like means it is similar to.
He is like his father. This city is like a jungle. Do you want this shirt?
No, it is too small.
It is very small is neutral. It is too small is negative or a problem.
Is a Ferrari expensive? Used to.
It is too expensive.
I lost my keys again.
Relax, Dad. It is what it is.
This means accept the situation. You cannot change it.
Rain on your holiday? It is what it is. Dad, you made a typo.
Never.
It's with an apostrophe means it is. It's with no apostrophe means possession.
It's raining versus the dog ate its food.
Don't confuse them. Is Mr. Bear real?
Yes, he is real. Don't hurt his feelings.
To argue, we stress the word is. It is true. He is real.
Sorry, Mr. Bear. She didn't mean it. Finally, part 6, the quiz.
Quiz time. Number 1. She, blank, a doctor. Is, are, or am.
She is a doctor.
Number 2. Blank, he, tired. Is, are, or am.
Is he tired?
Number 3. No, he, blank. Isn't or aren't.
No, he isn't.
Number 4. Where, blank, Paris.
Where is Paris?
Number 5. It, blank, raining right now.
It is raining right now.
Number 6. Blank, it cold? Yes, it, blank.
Is it cold? Yes, it is. We made it. 50 scenes.
We learned identity, like he is John, description, like he is tall, and location, like he is here.
We learned questions like, is he? And negatives like, he isn't.
You now own the word is.
If you remember only one thing from this video, remember this.
He is. She is. It is. This is English.
Say it with us. He is. She is. It is.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.